respected judges, dignified teachers. I am Ashumanti with my friend Shravani Mandal. Today we are here to present a topic formational conic section. So you must be really familiar with the geometry figure cone. Before going deep inside formational conic section, let's know what is conic section. In mathematics, a conic section of cone can be defined as curve obtaining an intersecting cone, more precisely right circular conical surface. In analytic geometry, it can be defined as a plane curve of degree. Depending on the angle of the plane with respect to cone, it can be circle, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. Further detail will explained by my friend Shravani.
So, let us consider two straight lines. First, a fixed line which is known as axis of the cone and another line which is known as generator. Generator is a line which would intersect the fixed line at a fixed position known as vertex with an inclination of an angle called alpha. Now, this generator is rotated across the fixed line by keeping the angle alpha constant, which leads to the formation of double napped right circular hollow cone. Now, as we are talking about conic sections, these sections are formed when a plane is intersected with a cone. Depending upon the position of the plane with respect to the cone and the angle with it to the vertical axis of the cone, that is beta, different types of conic sections are formed. Now, as introduced by my friend Aisha, there are 4 different types of conic sections. Let's have a look one by one. First one is circle. Its equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r. Well, the definition of this circle states that it is a set of all points in a plane which are apart with a fixed distance, that is from the center. Now coming to the next one, that is parabola. Parabola, its equation consists y square is equal to 4ax. Now let's define parabola. It is a set of all points in a plane whose distance is always constant from a fixed line and a fixed point. Now coming to the third one, that is ellipse. Its equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now, as we have defined the first two, let's also define ellipse. Ellipse is a set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points is always constant. Now, the last one, that is hyperbola. Its equation is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now, let's define hyperbola too. It is a set of all points in a plane whose distance from two different points is always constant. Now, let me tell you one thing, that in all the first three cases, that is circle, parabola and ellipse, the plane intersects the cone at only first nap. But in case of hyperbola, the plane intersects both the nape, that is the upper nape and also the lower nape. This is because in the last case, the plane stands parallel to the axis of the cone. Now, in order to make this more interesting, let us have a look about some of the figures. First one is circle. When we pass a plane through circle, to cut it, we get a shape like this. Second one is parabola, where when we pass a plane like this horizontally, we get a parabola. Third one is ellipse. When we pass a plane certain vertically towards it, we get ellipse. And last, that is hyperbola. When we pass, we get this one. Now, there are some angles or degree as per the alpha and beta. So, let's have a look about that. First one, circle. Its angle is beta is equal to 90 degree. Second one is parabola. Here, when beta is equal to alpha, parabola is formed. In third case, when alpha is less than beta and beta is less than 90 degree, then ellipse is formed. Last one is hyperbola. When beta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than alpha, hyperbola is formed. Now, our project do contain some of the applications related to day-to-day life, which will be further introduced by my friend Aisha.
So, let's know about what are the applications. Conic section also plays an important role in real life. For example, buildings, bridges and statues. We must be really familiar about the most famous food servicing company, that is McDonald's. The sign of the company M is combination of two parabolas. It is also used in engineering purposes. It is also used in medical instruments like levator, which is used to break the kidney stones by producing the elliptoreflector. It is also used in water channels or cooling towers.
Hope we were able to make ourselves clear through our small project. Thank you for patience full of listening.